Yeah.
Yeah, this is a Virgin Pendolino.
This one we went on.
And this is from
London Euston.
London Euston
To Liverpool Lime Street.
to Liverpool Lime Street.
And the reception on these trains are so bad.
And the reception is so bad.
In case you try to call someone, do not risk it. Trust us, it's necessary. Yeah, go on.
Yep, 390
132.
932.
132.
I mean 132. There we go.
Into the main line.
Joining the main line of the junction.
Yeah, and you just left the branch line. We're going to take to the right. That goes towards North Wales coast, and the Pendolino has continued its journey to finish its journey at Liverpool. There we go. Aim for home. Aim for the home stretch. There we go. Right.